Good morning, students. How are you? So today we are going to learn about collective nouns and countable as well as uncountable nouns. As we have done earlier, proper noun and common noun. So now today we are going to do collective. Collective, by the word you can analyze, you come to know about that collection of something, means a group of something is that word will be called as collective noun. Like if I'll say that there is a group of students, a class of students, so that class, the word class will be called as collective noun. And you all know what is a noun. So noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So here whatever like if a noun is in a group, so that will be having a name and that word will be called as collective noun. Like a bunch of keys, key is a thing. If there is a group of keys, that will be called as a bunch of keys. So I hope you will be able to understand. Now I'm going to show you the slides. So here is collective nouns. Collective means collection of something or someone. So definition of this collective noun is: a collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Remember, noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. As it is, when they are in a group, means they have been collected, so that word which we call, that is called collective noun. Okay, now if you see this picture, can you see there are so many cows? So these two children are talking about that what it is called as, means they are grazing the field, the grass in the group, so that will be called as, you can see it above, a herd of cows. A group of cows means a herd of cows. So the word herd is a collective noun. In the second example, you can see there are so many birds sitting on a branch, so they are sitting in a group, so that is a flock of birds. So whenever there is a group of birds, that will be called as flock. So flock is a word that is collective noun. Now third picture you can see, that is a swarm of flies. So whenever you see a group of flies, so you will not say see there is a group of flies. No, it will be called as that swarm of flies. Now these you can see the dogs in a group, so that will be called as a pack of dogs. Here the word pack is a collective noun which has been highlighted. That word is a collective noun. Here you can see the example, a school of fish, and you know the plural of fish is fish, not fishes. Now here a bunch of keys. See, if there is only one key, we say a key, but a bunch of keys there. Now a team of horses. See, a group of horses will be called as a team of horses. Now here, as you sit in the class like this, remember? Okay, missing those days. So that will be called a class of students. Here the monkeys group is called a troop. So a troop of monkeys. Here you can see there are so many tools on the table. So that is a set of tools. Now cotton, which we cannot count even. A bale of cotton. Okay, so this is, see, in a box there are so many cards, so it is called as a deck of cards. So deck is a Noun. Now here today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns also. So you'll be able to know that the word countable means that we can count. Countable means the things which we can count, and uncountable means which we cannot count. So let's see the examples. Here it is. Now they both are the students, and they are having conversations. So he's saying, "Hi Anu, do you have any fruit? Your food. Do you have any food?" He's asking. He's feeling hungry. So she replied that yes, that she is having 2 apples, a sandwich, and juice. So here you can see in this slide that there are 2 apples, a sandwich, and juice. Here you can notice that before apples it is written 2 because we can count it. A sandwich, that is that there is only one sandwich, but juice we cannot count. That's why juice is an uncountable noun. Okay, now see, so countables are things that we can count. Here, can you count these eggs? Yes, we can count. There are 2 eggs. Can you count bananas? Yes, we can count bananas. When you go to market, so whenever you go to market, so you say, okay, I want 4 bananas, or I want 5 bananas, because you can count it. Okay, and cookies, yes, you can count cookies also, that I need 2 cookies, so that you can count. That are countable nouns. But what are uncountable nouns? Uncountables are those things or food that we cannot count. We can't count it. So that are uncountables. Now look at these pictures. Are these countable or uncountable? What is your answer? Can you count watermelon? Yes, we can count. Can you count? Quickly give me the answer. Can you count strawberry? Yes. Can you count pineapple? Yes. But can you count these things? Wow, yummy, yummy ice cream. Cheese. So can you count it? No, we cannot count it. We can measure it, but we cannot count it. Okay, we can count the scoop of ice creams. Okay, but we cannot count ice cream. So they are uncountables. So they are uncountable nouns. I hope you understood what is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. So after this, I'm going to show you your homework, today's homework. That is the page from your grammar book. So I hope you will be able to do it. But still, if there is any query, you can ask through WhatsApp. So here is the page. I have given you the PDF of this chapter, of this unit of grammar. So you just go through it if it is not clear to you. So, but I can see it. I'm going to tell you what is written over here and how you will do it. So that is collective noun, that I told you. A collective noun is the name given to a group of persons, animals, or things. Okay, so here some examples have been given that you can read from your book. But what you have to do is that there are the options in the yellow box. So there you have to pick and fill the blanks. Now after that there is a matching also, that also you have to do. Now this is the next page, in which what you have to do, there are the 3 common you can see can you see these 3 pictures? So what you have to do is you have to pick out 3 common nouns and you can see the table at the last. So you just have to write down 3 common nouns and 3 collective nouns from these 3 pictures. So I hope you'll be able to do it. So thank you. Bye. Have a nice day ahead.